Engineered to produce continuous precision slices with extensive detail given to key elements throughout the machine, the efficient E TranSlicer joins the production-proven TranSlicer family in the Urschel lineup. Ideally suited for elongated vegetables, fruits, and cooked meats, the stainless steel E TranSlicer easily fits into existing processing lines. As with all Urschel machines, the E TranSlicer features continuous operation for uninterrupted production. Let's take a look at some of the key elements found on the innovative E TranSlicer from Urschel. Hinged and sliding panels offer full access to key areas for machine maintenance and sanitation. Sloped surfaces throughout the machine and a self-draining frame allow for quick and easy cleaning. An open-framed bottom is standard to ease with washdowns, while an optional bottom pan is available to those wishing to close off this area. Electrical cables are raised off of the frame to alleviate trapping food particulates. Keeping with the latest in Urschel designs, its mechanical components are isolated from the food zone, promoting food safety. Simplified maintenance and operation are also accentuated in the design. Starting with the cutting area, the E TranSlicer features an exciting new cutting wheel retention assembly. This contemporary design eases wheel changeovers with a built-in wheel rest and simple-to-maneuver retaining brackets that rotate and slide into place. 2 pins on each side of the wheel work in conjunction with the bracket to keep the wheel safely inside the machine in the event of a crash. A variety of interchangeable 20-inch or 50.8 centimeters diameter stainless steel cutting wheels are available, offering maximum versatility. Flat and crinkle slicing wheel, the patented micro-slice wheel, and the Julienne wheel. This extensive inventory of wheel options allows processing of a wide variety of cuts, fulfilling processors' exacting demands. An extended shear edge decreases clearance between the belts and knives to promote precise cutting. The E TranSlicer's Hinge discharge chute features a polished internal slope, allowing product to exit smoothly while minimizing contact. The divided discharge chute also features a removable baffle to include or separate fines. On the feed end of the machine, the E TranSlicer features a one-piece belt guard. This belt guard overlaps the feed belts, enabling smooth feeding and being easily removed to change belts. And changing belts has never been easier, as the E TranSlicer features a quick belt release lever, making changeovers simple and fast. For those interested in hand feeding, an optional prep table assists operators by locating pre-cut product nearby and can be easily folded down when not in use. The E TranSlicer's simple-to-use integrated electrical enclosure features circuit breakers instead of fuses. Stainless steel guard locks and sensors permit the opening of access panels only after all moving parts have come to a complete stop. Indicator lights on the panel and guard locks illuminate when guard locks are properly engaged. Only motors specifically designed for demanding food cutting environments are used. The machine is available with a cross-the-line start or with a variable frequency drive, depending on your application and needs. Moving around the machine, an optional additional e-stop button is conveniently positioned opposite the electrical enclosure. Now let's take a closer look at the operating principle of the E TranSlicer. Product is delivered onto 2 high-speed feed belts sloped together to form a V-shaped feed trough. The belts are synchronized with a rotating slicing wheel to ensure proper advance of product with every revolution of the wheel. Knives under tension serve as spokes and support the rim of the slicing wheel. The knives are slightly twisted to create a uniform pitch from the hub to the rim. Knife pitch serves to pull product through the slicing wheel and produce a precise slice thickness. A variety of static and power hold-down assemblies enable increased positive feeding if needed. The E TranSlicer exemplifies the latest in Urschel design, exceeding today's food industry demands. Urschel, the global leader in food cutting technology.